Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. I hope you all are doing well, and I hope your trading journey is going amazingly. In this video, I will explain how you can use support and resistance. But in this video, we will discuss how you can take a continuation trade in the direction of the trend. So let's move on to the video. Those who are new here and want to join us, the link is available in the description. Go and check it out. And if you haven't watched our previous videos, go and check them out as well. So let's start our video without wasting any time. In this video, I will explain how you can trade using support and resistance. Okay, here you can see a downtrend, and I have drawn a support level according to the market structure. The candle was taking support, and then the candle broke the level. After that, it started retracing and then came back to the same level. So when the candle breaks the support level, retraces, and then continues in the same direction, you can go for a downside move in the direction of the trend. Basically, the support becomes resistance. Okay, so this is how you can use support and resistance for continuation trades. Let's move on to another example. Let me share another example. Okay, here you can see this was a resistance level. The candle broke the level, and then you can see a retracement. After that, the price started taking support. After the retracement, you can go for the upside move again. Okay, the candle was trying to come back to the level. I am putting $100. Okay, this is a 5-minute chart, so I'm taking a 1-minute trade. Let me convert my chart to 1 minute. Here, you can see the candle was taking support, and then it was coming back. When the candle touches this level or closes above the level, we can proceed for an upside move in the direction of the trend. Okay, this is how you can use the level for continuation trades. So if I draw the level here, this was a support level. You can see the candle was taking resistance, then there was an uptrend. After that, it retraced, and boom, you can go for the upside move. So this is how you can use support and resistance for continuation trades. Okay, let me find if there is any live example so that I can show you a live trade. Okay, if the current candle closes as a red candle above the level, then we can proceed for an upside move. If it breaks the level, then we can avoid the trade. Let's see. Okay, it is trying to break the level, so we will avoid this type of trade. Okay, there is no trade available for a continuation setup. So I hope you understand how this works. Basically, if the market is trending, you can mark a support or resistance level. When the candle breaks the level and then comes back to retest or retrace the level, you can proceed in the same direction as the trend. So this is how you can use support and resistance for continuation trades. If you use this method correctly with proper market analysis and money management, you can find good trading opportunities. Okay, so I hope you understand the concept, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any topics or suggestions, comment down below. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.